Nigeria.
All right.
All right.
All right. Take care. Have a good time. All right. Okay. So that's part of what's going to be the fun tonight. There will be a lot of women, coming around.
How much you go pay? What kind of video?
I don't need you to. I don't need to pay you. I have enough. I have enough followers already. Why should I pay you? I don't have to pay you. How you doing? You can go enjoy now. So now let's bring it right here. Bear with me. Lot and lot of movement. I'll be giving you different angle. So what is going to happen is I'm still not getting a good network. I'm trying my best. All my network is not holding, and sometimes it's got to do with security surrounding the stadium, so which I am always aware of. So in YouTube, you'll be seeing the front view, and Facebook, you'll be seeing the back view, and that is the way I'm going to have it. So if you have multiple cameras on, multiple devices in the house, you will be enjoying that. So bear with me once again. There's a lot to discuss tonight. We're still trying to get some of my other platforms in. We can't get them in, but one thing I want to say is that as Wizkid is going to be playing tonight, the question we should be asking ourselves is, how come the country that is known as the most populous black nation hasn't worked for the last 63 years? That is the question tonight. My name is Koikimedia. You're watching live transmission. As more people are heading towards the stadium, I'll be moving closer, but we're still finding it difficult to find network. Network is the problem, and one thing is, it is going to be an interesting evening with me tonight. So we're doing all our best to make sure that we can get as many of you in. Bear with us. As we are live now, as Wizkid plays tonight, most of you will be asking the question, how come Nigeria has failed? Okay, why is this trying to pick someone else's headset? No, move away. So quite a lot tonight. Okay, so let me remove this as well. I don't want any headset connecting to this. I thought I removed this one already, so why am I still getting? Alright, so let's do something. It seems that there's a lot of network don't jam around everybody. Network can't jam around, and we can't even get a stable connection at the moment. Alright, let me move a little bit closer and see if things will get better as I go into the conversation. My name is Koiki. You're watching Koikimedia Live, and this is how people are going to be spending their evening. It is the summertime, the weather is a bit windy, and all I can say is that as I take you into the real program, let's hope that you'll be having a great time watching all these as well. So that is the stadium right in front of you there. 62,000 is the capacity. The cheapest ticket I saw when I was looking at it is about £68, and the most expensive ticket goes about almost £300. This is a local government called the London Borough of Haringey, where the council makes money. The security are all paid for by the concert organizer. Also, every staff that is going to be working on behalf of the local government will be funded right by the concert itself. So you're watching it from different angles. As we are giving it to you this evening, I say thank you so much to those of you that have joined us. Hopefully we get 1 or 2 or 3, 5, 10 people that will be ready. As you can see there, that is let me turn the camera for those of you as well here so that you're seeing the same thing. Let's turn the camera to the front. So right there and there is the magnificent Tottenham football ground, where Wizkid is expected to be playing tonight.